Well, hello there, beautiful. Welcome back. Today I'll be using the Tammi for Revolution palette. So the first thing I'm about to do is prime my lids, and I'm using the LA Girls Pro Conceal in Porcelain. Then I'm going to set that with my Laura Mercier powder. Alright, so the first shade I'll be using from the palette is called Adventure, and I'm going to just pop that into my crease area and of course blend as I go along. Okay guys, so here I'm just applying the same concealer I used to apply on my lids. I'm just using this so that the other shadow that I'm going to apply will just pop and be a little bit more vibrant. Okay, so I'm going to be using Golden Sands in that inner part of my eye where I've applied the concealer. As you can see guys, I am just patting that and kind of bringing it out into the middle of my lid. So on the outer part of my eyes, guys, I'll be applying the shade called the Carnival, and I'm applying that with a flat brush, and I'm blending that into Golden Sands to make sure that there are no harsh lines. As you can see, I am interchanging brushes because I want everything to tie in nicely and be blended really well. I'm just going to quickly apply these lashes from Perfect 10. I'm not sure how these really go with the look, but I've already applied them and I couldn't be asked to take them off. And I'm so sorry, I'm so much into your face, guys. It's a new setup and I'm learning again, so I'm so sorry it's so zoomed in. My apologies, but bear with me. Again, guys, my apologies. My face was barely on the screen. I am so sorry. But I'm just doing my usual highlighting with the LA Girls Pro Concealer. And then I'm just spritzing my sponge with some coconut water to make sure that everything is nicely blended. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my Sacha Buttercup to set my highlighter in place. So sorry again that my face was not entirely on the screen. Okay guys, so here I'm just sweeping the same shade called Carnival underneath my bottom lash line area to give it that nice smoky look. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my MAC MSF powder in Dark Deep to set everything in place because I want everything to look, you know, put together and seamless. No harsh lines. No harsh line, people. No harsh lines. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use this Pro Artist bronzer palette to just bronze up my face, bring it back to life, you know, the whole works, do my forehead, my cheekbone, and all that stuff because I want my face to look a little bit more snatched. I've been eating a lot lately and I want my face to look a little slimmer, you know? I told you would be tired of seeing me using this palette, but I'm not tired of it. It's still my favorite palette at the moment. It is the Black Up Times Jenny Jenkins highlighter palette, and I am just doing that beautiful glow so when the sun hits my face, I look sun-kissed. Yes, honey, yes. Okay guys, so I did not get my lips in the shot, so I'm just going to tell you what I used on my lips. I used Revolution Pro Matte Lip in Elevation. I used LA Colors lip gloss in Clear, and then I outlined my lips with Max Cork. So that's the look, guys. I hope you liked it. Do thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on, and leave me a comment to tell me what you thought of the look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.